I have this morning appeared before the crime branch and given my detailed statement in connection with the sex scandal involving Goa's Fisheries Minister Vinod Paliankar. I have given the IO Mr. Datta Guru Sawant the entire sequence of events, and over a hour-long statement I have placed before him the entire facts, and it is now for him to investigate further in the case. I have right through the investigation cooperated with the IO right from Anjuna police station when I was summoned on the 30th. It has been my stand, and it is my stand, that the entire complaint against me is false and fabricated. In fact, the complaint is on a basis that I had uploaded a video involving the minister and the lady concerned. I told the Anjuna police station, and I have told the police today also, that they should try and show me that video, because I have not uploaded any video, and as there is no video uploaded by me, the very foundation of that complaint is bogus, and it proves that it is a fabricated complaint against me. My mission over the last 40 years of trying to serve community will continue unhindered. Nobody can try to silence me by such cheap tactics. This entire exercise is to defame me, but the truth will come, and I have full faith in the judiciary and in God. God knows what is true and what is false, and I only hope that those behind this fabricated complaint will be eventually exposed, as the truth and nothing but the truth will surface after the investigation by the crime branch. As I said, after my statement at the Anjuna police station, the statement given has to be confidentially with the police, because I do not want to divulge the contents of the statement I have given, because that should not prejudice the investigation. Let the investigation be free and fair, and let the truth only prevail. The petition filed by me is before the court. It is coming up for hearing today afternoon. That is before the court. But I have appeared before the IO today. I have given him my entire statement, and I think the truth will prevail.